Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide tokens on the SafePal app. If you have a lot of different tokens in your wallet and want to keep the main wallet screen clean and organized, you can hide the tokens you don't regularly use. First, open the SafePal app on your phone. Once the app is open, go to your wallet section. Now select the wallet where you want to manage the tokens. Tap on the three-dot menu to open the available wallet options. From the menu, look for Manage Coins and tap on it. Here you'll see the list of coins and tokens that are currently available in your wallet. Now find the token you want to hide. If you have many tokens, you can take your time to find the correct one. Once you've found it, turn off or disable the token from the list. After doing this, go back to your wallet's main screen and check your asset list. The token you disabled should no longer appear in the main wallet view. Remember, hiding a token is not the same as deleting it. You're only changing how the token is displayed in the SafePal app. Your wallet and its assets aren't being sent or transferred anywhere just because you hide the token. If you want to display the token again later, simply go back to Manage Coins and enable it again. This can be useful if your wallet contains many different assets and you only want to keep the tokens you regularly use visible on the main screen. And that's it. Now you know how to hide and show tokens on SafePal and keep your wallet interface more organized. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more SafePal tutorials, crypto guides, app tutorials, and tech tips.